Welcome to Scheduley, your time management app. In this video, we'll show you how to create groups. On the homepage, click on the Add button. Here, you will see options for groups, reminders, and contacts. To create a group, switch to the Groups tab and click Next. First, upload a group image, then enter the group title and click Next. Once done, the group will be created. To add members, click on the Add Member button at the top right corner and click Send Invitation. You can choose how to share the invitation link. Let's copy the link for now. To start a conversation, click on Group Chat, where you can send messages, attach files, and send voice notes. If you ever need to leave the group, simply click on Exit Group. That's it for today's Scheduley walkthrough, your time management app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.